Buses will not take us out. Road unravels, so it shouts. Laughter echoes, skips and bounds. New adventures, they astound. Rolling wheels on endless trails, past the fields, homes and dales. Eyes wide open, every shade. Journey through the escapades. We are free, no chains, no stress. Journeys made in happiness. Voices rise to skies so high. School tour journey, hearts will fly. Stops to stretch, minds to roam. Stories whispered, giggles groan. Moments, snapshots, memories cling. Every second like a spring. Friends beside us, jokes a wave. Every mile a story paved. Teachers guide, but still we find freedom dances in our mind. We are free, no chains, no stress. Journeys made in happiness. Voices rise to skies so high. School tour journey, hearts will fly. We are free, no chains, no stress. Journeys made in happiness. Voices rise to skies so high. School tour journey, hearts will fly. Stop tour journey, hearts will fly. Will fly.